Hello everyone. A very good morning to all. Welcome to biology class. So far we discussed about the two types of connective tissue. They are the connective tissue proper and supportive connective tissue. So what are the examples for connective tissue proper? Areolar connective tissue, adipose tissue, tendons and ligaments. What about the supportive connective tissue? Two are there. They are the bone and cartilage. Then the last type of connective tissue, that is the fluid connective tissue with the liquid matrix. So here the matrix is in the form of liquid. Okay. So the main fluid connective tissue in our body, that is the blood and lymph. We have to study what's about the blood. One of the connective tissue present in our body which can connect the whole body, because the blood is always circulating throughout the whole body, in each and every part of the body. So we can say this is one of the major connective tissue present in our body with the liquid matrix or fluid matrix. So when we are studying about the blood, first of all we have to study about the components of blood, how the blood occurs. So the matrix of this blood, that is in the form of a liquid, this liquid matrix is called plasma. What is the name? Plasma. Plasma is light yellow in color or cream colored one. Okay, in this fluid plasma or in this white plasma, all other substances or components of blood, they are suspended. Okay, the suspended components present in the blood, they are the blood cells and amino acids, sugars, salts, then proteins, etc. All these are suspended in the blood. So we have to study about what are the three main blood cells present in the blood. Okay, what are the three main blood cells or blood corpuscles? Blood cells is also called blood corpuscles. So can you say what are they? We just discussed about that in 7th standard. Are you remembering? Just recall what are they? First one is the RBC or red blood corpuscle. It is also known as the erythrocyte. Erythrocyte. These are the small circular or disc-like structures. Spherical, circular or disc-like structures. Okay. And like that of the gems, like that we can see very small chocolate like structures, we can see that is the RBC or red blood corpuscles, and they are without any nucleus. They do not have any nucleus. Usually the RBC is produced from the bone marrow. From the bone marrow means the substance present inside in the bone. From this bone marrow, the production of RBC is there. The RBC appears as red in color. That is because of the presence of a coloring pigment called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is present in the RBC, which can give red color to the blood. Because of the presence of RBC, the blood appears as red. Okay. Then what is the main function of RBC? It helps in the transport of oxygen and some amount of carbon dioxide. Okay, most of the carbon dioxide is soluble in water, but some amount of carbon dioxide is also transporting as through this along with this hemoglobin or RBC. We know that the RBC, over the RBC hemoglobin is there. Hemoglobin binds with oxygen and forms a compound called oxyhemoglobin. So throughout our body, the oxygen is transporting as oxyhemoglobin. Okay, so the transport of oxygen, that is by the help of RBC. That is the main duty of RBC. Second one is the white blood corpuscle or WBC. It is also known as the leukocytes. Leukocytes. These are round or irregular in shape. Some are round, but some others are irregular in shape. Here the nucleus is present. This is the only one blood cell with the nucleus, WBC. Different types of WBC is there based on the number of nucleus. Okay, number of nucleus, different types of WBC is there, detailed studies in higher classes. These are usually colorless because hemoglobin is absent, and the main function of this RBC, that is, it acts as a soldiers of our body. Soldiers of our body means which can help our body from the attack of disease causing germs. If there is any attack of the disease causing germs at that time, this WBC which can fight against the germs and protect our body from the invader. Okay, then the third one is the platelets, blood platelets, or it is also known as the thrombocytes. thrombocytes. These are the irregularly shaped small fragments without nucleus. Okay, these are also colorless. The main function of this thrombocytes or platelets, there is a help clotting of blood. We know that if there is any small injury or wound in our body, the blood may start to come out. There will be the leakage of blood. So how this leakage is preventing? After a short period of time, there will be a plug. A small clot may appear over the wound or over the injury. How this process is happening? That is by the help of the platelets along with the calcium and vitamin K. The platelets help in the blood clotting. Okay, just think about the condition of our body. If there is no platelets, through a small injury, the complete blood in our body may leaks out. Okay, so platelets are very important. They are helping for the clotting or coagulation of blood. All the three components are very important. So the function of the three you have to study one by one. Okay, so that's all about the fluid connective tissue, and these are the three connective tissues in our body. The remaining part we will discuss in the next class. Okay.